So yeah, sorry for hanging tight, but
It's so cool.
How many of you guys have seen Jen Chung play the guitar?
alright, so this is my last song. It's called We Are. It's kind of a sad song. I'm kind of emotional. But yeah, so thank you to my Thank you guys for checking me out. If you have no idea who I am, that's fine. But hopefully you do now. And my name is Jennifer Chung. This is Mike and that was Johnny Yang. You can check us out on YouTube, youtube.com/Jennifer J. Chung. Hope to see you guys afterwards. And thank you to all my loves. Thank you. Put it in the frame. One shot, broken love. Who is that to blame? Will you come back to me? Say you'll come back. Say you'll come back. Sorry, I'm sorry, we are. Sorry, sorry, we are. How we meant to be. How we meant to Thank you.